Welcome back, guys. And in your Samsung phone, if you are typing anything and you are hearing a sound or any vibrations you are feeling, just like that, go to the here and just type a message. I see tuck tuck sound is tuck tuck tuck, and a vibration is also there. So in that case, if you do not want to hear this sound, what you need to do, small thing but needs to be known to everybody. Before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel if you like this video. So in that case, what you need to do, just go to the setting and then go to the sound and vibrations, and here go down one system sound and vibration control is there, tap it on, and here in sound section dialing keyboard, just tap it off, and in the vibrations in the dialing keyboard, just turn it off. Now go back, and now again we will try, and here 1 minute this is coming. So we need to turn up one more setting. Just go there, go to the sound and vibrations, go to the system volume and control, and turn it off this Samsung keyboard and this Samsung keyboard. Now go back and see nothing is coming. So you need to turn off both the dialing keypad and Samsung keyboard, both settings. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.